Hi everyone, welcome back to the Storytime family. How's the weather looking today? I hope it's nice and sunny and that you get to play outside and get your daily dose of vitamin D. It does make us happy, you know. Thank you so much for taking time out to read with us. Today we have a book called Nature's Creatures, Wellness Teachers by Annie Yu and Maggie Chen. Are you ready? Let's go. Nature's Creatures, Wellness Teachers. For Riley one day, not a thing would work out. It made him so mad he wanted to shout. First, he slipped on the stairs all because he was rushed. Milk spilled on his toast and it turned into mush. His pants fell at school and it made him ashamed. Then he hogged the team's ball and it cost them the game. When Riley got home, Grandpa saw he was down. Let's take a walk and we'll wipe off that frown. We'll learn some wise lessons from nature's good creatures. Animals sometimes can be our best teachers. Stepping outside, he saw birds in the sky. The world must look nicer when seen from that high. Taking steps back from one's problems can bring big picture views of the troublesome things. Way down below, snails were taking it slow. They always got where they needed to go. Riley realized that this life's not a race. Sometimes it's fine to just go at snail's pace. Speedier horses were out on a run. They made doing exercise look like such fun. Running beside them made Riley feel great. The workout put him in a happier state. Spiders were weaving their webs with great care. If winds knocked them over, they did not despair. They simply rebuilt again and again. Riley could see how they tried till the end. Tranquil were cats as they napped all day long. Getting good sleep helped in keeping them strong. It made clear to Riley the value of rest. Having enough kept him feeling his best. Bees were collecting their nectar for hives. Working together will help them to thrive. They showed him that being a we, not a me, helped everyone live with more joy and more glee. Butterflies flitted, their wings paper thin. Fat caterpillars they all had once been. Riley could see how with patience and time, the beauty inside them could come out to shine. Lizards were blissfully basking in light, enjoying the sunshine so warm and so bright. Riley, too, loved the sun's heat on his face. Being outdoors was his happiest place. Preferring the dark, bats were hanging around and used to the sight of the world upside down. Riley admired how their differing views helped them to see things in ways fresh and new. Not thinking about what has passed or will be, dogs live in the moment and feel so carefree. Riley knew staying that present in life could help him avoid agitation and strife. Returning on home, he was feeling such peace. All that he learned helped his joy to increase. Riley was seeing the world in new ways. He used what he learned on the very next day. The morning dawned bright. Riley hopped out of bed. He didn't fall down or spill milk on his bread. His belt held his pants. There was nothing to see. He worked with his team, and they won victory. When Riley came home, he embraced Grandpa tight. Our mindful walk gave me much calm and insight. I've learned some great lessons from nature's good creatures. Animals can really be our best teachers. And that was Nature's Creatures, Wellness Teachers. Hope you enjoyed the book. If you'd like to own a copy, the link to purchase it is in our description below. Thank you so much for dropping by. Do give us a like and subscribe if you haven't, and click on the bell for more videos like this. You take care now. We'll see you back here soon. Bye-bye.